Alright, so this is a quick overview of the four the basic types of chemical reactions. So first is the synthesis reaction, which comes from the Greek syn, which means together, and tithenei, which means to put or place. So synthesis means to place together. And so that makes sense with the name because this is the general formula, which is something plus something equals something something. So A plus B equals AB. Next, we have the decomposition reaction. In Latin, de means opposite of, and compose is Latin for with or together, and to place. So to place together, and this is to place apart. So it's going to be the exact opposite of a synthesis reaction. So it's going to be AB, and then yields A plus B. So we did something to AB to make it separate. Single replacement reactions, don't need to go over the name, it's pretty self-explaining. And so this is where there will be a single replacement. So we have AB plus C equals AC plus B. So we see that we swapped out B and C, that's our one replacement. A double replacement is going to have two replacements. So AB plus CD, we're going to have, I guess I didn't draw it out, we're going to have a swap here for AC and a swap here. So those are the two replacements right there. And now, we're going to do some quick problems. So don't worry about the balancing the chemical equations, that's going to be another video. So in the first one we have a phosphate plus an oxygen to get P4O10. So we're putting, this is like AB plus AB. So this is going to be a synthesis reaction. Now the second we have sodium and water, and we're going to get sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So right here what happened is that we had a single replacement. So it's going to be a single rep. And so what replaced? Well, we have a sodium and a hydroxide now. So what happened is we actually swapped out one of the hydrogens, and so that's out there. So we can see that if we didn't have the single replacement, it would look the same. And then here we're going to have a decomposition, and that's because we're starting with something, we're ending up with it kind of separated. So we have the potassium chloride here, and then we have the oxygen here, and these are separated versus all being one thing here, this being a polyatomic ion. And then at the end we have a double replacement. And so obviously what's being replaced, we have a barium with here, barium chloride, we no longer have that. And then we got the silver nitrate here, and then now silver's with the chlorine right there. So again, these are the four basic types of chemical reactions, and I think it's very helpful just to learn the general formulas, and then once you see one, you just kind of know intuitively what it is.